Today I'm sharing my honest review of this humidifier based on my personal experience. This is not a sponsored video. Everything I'm sharing is my own observation after using this product. Overall, I'd rate this humidifier about 50-50. It has some really good features, but also a few things that could be improved. Let's start with the user manual. The instructions are not well explained, so you'll probably have to read it several times to understand the assembly process. For first-time users, that can be a bit confusing. The unit comes in 3 separate pieces, not cheap or flimsy. The capacity of this model is between 1 to 5 liters, which is great for bedrooms, living rooms, or small offices. One of the best features is the automatic shut-off system. When the water runs out, the device turns off automatically. That means it has a built-in water sensitivity sensor, which helps protect the motor and saves power. This humidifier runs on 230 volts at 50 Hz frequency and consumes only 28 watts, making it very energy efficient. It also has a variable control knob which allows you to adjust the vapor speed according to your needs. It can vaporize up to 300 milliliters of water per hour, which is quite impressive for a device of this size. In summary, I'd say this humidifier is a good option if you're looking for something simple, efficient and budget-friendly for your home or office. However, the assembly process and manual definitely need improvement. That's my complete and honest review. I hope it helps you decide whether this product is right for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more unboxings, reviews and home tech videos.